What's one of the things that stumps beginner artists the most? Color mixing. So here's my Duma Do Art tip for keeping color mixing easy. Use a limited palette. Don't use too many colors. All you need are 6 colors plus white, and you'll be able to mix all the colors in the rainbow. The bonus is your colors will be harmonious. This is how you keep your paintings from looking ugly and garish. A lot of times when you're using too many pigments, that's what you're gonna end up with. So, all you need are these 6. You need a cool yellow, a warm yellow, a warm red, and a cool red. I think you're seeing the picture. A cool blue and a warm blue. And lots of white. And that's it. Start with that. Just play with the colors. Try to match them as much as possible, and you're going to get it. It's just going to be to match the color you see. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Drop them in the comments. Send me a DM. Send me an email. Come check me out in the Facebook group. And come on, let's get you painting.